Hello, geometry students. Hopefully all of you out there are having a great Friday. It's time for another video assignment, but this time I'm going to give you a little example of what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to do everything on the computer, but you can clearly just get a piece of paper and draw a picture. You can get graph paper. You don't have to have graph paper. Again, be as creative or not as you like, but I just kind of wanted to give a little example of what I'm exactly looking for so that it'll just help you a little bit. Okay, so I want you to create a triangle and then translate it some amount. So on my picture right here, I have a triangle ABC that I have created. I'm using, as you can see, Desmos Graphing Calculator. You don't have to use this. You could use anything within your tools. Like I said, piece of paper, graph paper, whatever. Just try to make sure that it's labeled clearly, so I can see it and that kind of thing. Okay, so clearly I have the triangle ABC. It's got the points 4, 3, 3, 1, and 0, 4. And then I'm going to translate that down to the triangle A prime, B prime. Oops, that should say C prime. See, I even noticed a little mistake on mine right there that I'm going to fix. There we go. So A prime, B prime, C prime. So I'm going to translate this triangle down to this triangle. So in translating, as you should have seen in Khan Academy, is just sliding things. It's going right or left, up or down. So how did I get this triangle to be down where this triangle is? Well, I slid it right 2 units and down 5 units. So you can see 4, 3 went right 2 units. So it went from 4 to 6, and then it went from 3 to -2. This point, 3, 1, went 2 units right, 5 units down. So it went from 3 to 5, that's 2 units to the right, and then 1 to -4, that's 5 units down. Because remember, X represents the left-right movement, Y represents the up-down movement. So the last point, C, started out at the point 0, 4, and then it moved right 2 units, so it went from 0 to 2, and then it went down 5 units from 4 to -1. Now, we can also describe, if you want to see what that would look like on a piece of paper, you could just simply say shifted right 2 units and down 5 units. By the way, there's also, I don't know if Khan has shown you, but you can do, there's a symbol way to show this as well, which looks like this. You say X, Y becomes, and we use a little arrow to describe this, arrow X plus 2 and Y minus 5. So you can write it that way as well. Hope this kind of helps you get an idea of what I'm looking for. Have a good weekend.